Samsung just quietly confirmed what leakers have been whispering for weeks. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is real, it's coming, and this time, it's not playing it safe on specs. Fresh off a wave of CAD renders, certification filings, and a roadmap leak pinning the launch. To October 7th, 2026, we finally have a near-complete picture of Samsung's next flagship tablet. The design stays familiar, but don't mistake that for boring. Under the hood, Samsung is making its biggest chipset bet yet. Here's everything the leaks reveal so far, and why this could be the tablet that actually justifies the laptop replacement hype. Enjoy! If you were expecting a dramatic redesign, temper those expectations. CAD renders from OnLeaks, published in partnership with Smartphone Checker, along with real-world images pulled from Korea's Safety Korea certification database. Both point to a tablet that looks almost identical to last year's model. The dimensions 326.34 by 208.46 by 5.12 millimeters are reportedly unchanged, which means Samsung is sticking with that razor-thin, sub-5.2mm profile that made the S11 Ultra feel almost impossibly light for a 14.6-inch slate. The more interesting story is what didn't change. Leaked One UI 9 beta firmware earlier this year included animations that hinted at a switch from the V-shaped notch to a cleaner hole-punch camera, and that got tech circles buzzing about a genuine design refresh. The CAD renders and certification photos have since put that rumor to rest. The notch is staying for a second consecutive generation, housing what's expected to be a 12-megapixel front-facing camera capable of 4K video. Around the back, Samsung is keeping the dual camera module along with the pogo pin connector that keyboard cases rely on. It's a why fix what isn't broken approach, and depending on how you feel about the notch, that's either reassuring or a missed opportunity. The processor story is where things actually get interesting. Samsung appears to be doubling down on its move away from Qualcomm for tablets, equipping the Tab S12 Ultra with MediaTek's Dimensity 9500, built on a 3nm process. Geekbench listings tied to model number SM-X946B, matched against MediaTek's own internal chip reference MT6993, show single-core scores around 2,424 and multi-core results near 8,446. A meaningful generational bump that should translate into snappier multitasking, faster app launches, and better thermal headroom during sustained workloads like video export or gaming. Memory and storage configurations are shaping up to be generous. Expect 12 GB and 16 GB RAM tiers, paired with storage options spanning 256 GB, 512 GB, and a top-end 1 TB variant. That kind of ceiling signals Samsung is still chasing the tablet as laptop replacement narrative, particularly for creators who lean on Galaxy AI features, multi-window productivity tools, and DeX-style desktop modes to get real work done on a slate rather than a traditional notebook. Where things stay flat is the battery. Multiple reports, including a specific rated capacity leak from Dutch outlet Galaxy Club, point to an 11,600 mAh cell, identical in typical capacity to the S11 Ultra, paired with 45 watts wired charging. If you were hoping for a bigger jump in battery capacity to match the new chipset's efficiency gains, that upgrade doesn't appear to be coming this cycle. though the more efficient 3nm process on the Dimensity 9500 could still translate into modestly better real-world endurance, even without a bigger cell. Here's the part that's likely to sting a little. Industry chatter points to a starting price increase for the Ultra model, potentially landing around $1,400 depending on configuration and region, driven largely by the ongoing memory chip shortage pushing component costs up across the board. For context, that would put the Tab S12 Ultra meaningfully above where the S11 Ultra launched, and it's a trend worth watching if you're the type who typically waits for early discounts rather than buying on day one. Samsung's next flagship tablet is no longer a matter of if, but exactly when. And thanks to a fresh roadmap leak from Tipster Fire Universe, we now have a date to circle. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, alongside its sibling the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus, is reportedly launching on October 7th, 2026. That's a notable shift from Samsung's usual pattern of pairing its tablet launches with the Fan Edition phone at IFA in early September, and it suggests the company may finally be decoupling its tablet strategy from its smartphone calendar. Samsung executive Daniel Araujo has already gone on record confirming the Tab S12 series is arriving in the second half of 2026. So while the exact date still carries the unconfirmed asterisk that comes with any leak, the broader timeline is about as solid as these things get before an official, unpacked invite lands. One detail that has been consistent across nearly every leak since certification filings first surfaced. There will be no standard Galaxy Tab S12 this year. Samsung is trimming the lineup down to just the S12 Plus and the S12 Ultra, continuing a pattern it started with the S11 series. If you were hoping for a cheaper entry point into the S12 family, that door appears to be closing, at least for now. Thank you for tuning in. Samsung hasn't sent out unpacked invitations yet, and until it does, all of the specifications above remain rumors, however consistent they've been across multiple leak sources. Given how close the tablet already is to certification and how aligned the recent leaks have become, an official confirmation shouldn't be far off. Which upgrade matters more to you, the Dimensity 9500 jump or the longer software support window? Drop your take below.